Dialing back the years on this 55-year-old skin, let me tell you how to make the most of using your anti-age system and the lessons that I've learned along the way. So I'll make sure you're using the white system, not the blue system. This has twice the amount of actives. You're going to get the results that much faster. Secondly, I use the serum number 1 and serum number 2. This is the serum with the stem cells and the exosomes. This has the retinol complex, it has vitamin B, it has vitamin C, it has black tea, it's got everything that you need, and it drives the actives down deeper into your skin. I have been, and I continue to use my Dear Serum. I use it every single morning. I use my anti-age at night. This actually gave me results within 3 to 4 days. The results were so fast, so I actually expected anti-age to be the same, but it was very, very different, and they work very differently. I have a pinned video on these. They're Red Deer exosomes if you want any information. You have to set your expectations. You're going to need a full turnover cycle. This is going to take 4 to 6 weeks for you to really start seeing the difference, and then you will see a huge difference. At 4 weeks, you'll start to see it working. At 6 weeks, you'll get that wow effect. Some of the lessons learned, the more you isolate it, the better the results will be. So I exfoliate, and then I wait 5 to 10 minutes. I usually like to apply actives on a low pH, but these biosomes can be a little bit unstable. Don't skip exfoliation, but give your skin that time to resettle in at a normal pH. And then I wait a good 5 minutes. And then I go in with only one active, and I will choose to use either a retinol or a peptide. More often than not, I will use a retinol, but I'll use a very specific retinol. I use nanoretinol specifically because it's encapsulated and specifically because it's gentle, and it's not going to disrupt anything that's going on. It's going to enhance and boost the cell turnover. Same with peptides. If I'm using peptides, I'm making sure they're encapsulated. I'm not putting anything in there that isn't very, very targeted to get to exactly where it's supposed to be. Huge lesson in using anti-age: do not overdo your actives. Finally, I found that it works so much better when I was using an oil-based moisturizer or a moisturizer with an oil on top of it. It just seemed to make everything so much more effective. So I would either use the In Your Face cream that is really rich with oils, or I'd use any type of moisturizer and I'd use some type of barrier or slugging oil over it. You're going to spend really good money on these, so be patient. Follow these guidelines. They'll help you to make it so much more effective. If you want to get this at 25% off, go to my friend Face Fox's site, use the code Christina25, and you can get 25% off this system. Can't find that price anywhere else. After, you're going to see such a big difference in brightening, the size of your pores, the texture of your skin. You are going to love the 4 to 6 weeks results on this. Stay tuned. I have a video coming out of all the different exosomes that I've tried. I've tried Dear Serum, I've tried Hito, I've tried Anti-Age, I've tried Radiant, I've tried Angela Caglia, I've tried Soam, I've tried so many of them, and I can't wait to give you the rundown. I'll talk to you soon.